The turnips have a lot more seeds on them today. I mean, flowers. I don't know if you can see all the pretty little yellow flowers, but these things have been shooting up tall and really putting the flowers out. I'm just letting them go to seeds so they'll fall to the ground. I will be cleaning up all the stuff down around the bottoms, getting out the weeds and leaves and other junk that has just accumulated over the winter. And I'll clean it up real good so that whenever the seeds do fall, then it'll have a nice clean place to be and to grow. And this is the cabbage that we had in the house where the outside had rotted. The outside layers all peeled off, the layers of rot. And then the bottom of it was trying to put out some roots. So I pushed the dirt back and stuck it in there just to see what would happen. My guess is it will probably just rot, but who knows? And my 4x8 square there, I finished getting stuff out. And of course, this is a pile of stuff that I got out of that, and around the bottom on the outside here as well. And then this area is where all that stuff was. And you can see how having all that stuff sitting here really kept the weeds and grass from growing. And when you look up close at this dirt, look at this up close. That looks like good dirt, doesn't it? And it looks to me, see how it looks kind of granular or whatever, grainy? It looks to me like worms have been in here working in this, and that looks like worm dirt to me. The worms take organic compounds, right? Molds, mildews, rotted stuff, and they eat it, and they turn it into worm poop. And you end up with really good worm dirt all in there. And that turns into a really good garden spot. So, I mean, it's not huge, it's not a big place, but I figure, I don't know, that's 4 foot, so you can tell how much space I'll have there. And I'll be cleaning out all the roots and stuff in there too. Coming out this way, I intend to bring this out this will be another 8 foot this way maybe, or I'll just do a 4 footer. Maybe I'll do a 4 footer there and then put something down here to kill all this off. Maybe put some like plastic down, and then just let it sit and bake in the sun, and maybe in a few weeks it'll be ready. Who knows? But that's what I've been doing, just sitting here working on this morning. And Johnny's back there. You see Johnny right there? Johnny's been helping do some yard work, and right now he's trying to move one of those big stumps, and he's been doing really good. He's been helping a lot, getting things done here and there, and before long we'll have all this looking great. And he's going to help work on the gardens this year and getting gardens put in. So with myself and Johnny and whoever else comes out and helps. My wife is already putting seeds in trays in the house and getting them sprouted. That's what she's doing. And Johnny's helping do yard work. He's doing some of the big jobs, like disassembling huge trees and moving them. But anyway, I've still got this area through here that I'll be working on as well. If you remember last year, I had a bunch of tomatoes growing here, a bunch of tomatoes growing here and over in here. So who knows, maybe all those seeds will come up and we'll have a lot this year. But look at the tops of these. See all these little pretty yellow flowers on the tops of all the turnip plants? It's gonna make a lot of good seeds. So maybe in a few days I'll have all this totally cleaned up, and maybe all that too. Maybe. I don't know. But we'll see. I've got other things to do as well. And more videos to make. Y'all make sure to come back and watch more of my garden videos, and also working on car videos, projects around the house type videos. Heck, I might even make a video of Johnny moving a giant stump. Look at that back there. you see him back there? Look at that. All right. I'll talk to y'all later.